Welcome to a virtual open house at 15261 Bridge Circle at Port Charlotte, Florida. I'm introducing you a brand new contemporary construction located in the charming community of Port Charlotte, Florida. This stunning home features 4 spacious bedrooms, 2 modern bathrooms, and a convenient 2-car garage, making it perfect for a growing family or those seeking ample space. With a total of 1,800 square feet on the air, this home is designed for comfort and elegance. The kitchen boasts top-notch finishes, including sleek modern cabinets that showcase a keen eye for the great taste in design. Throughout the house, you will find high-quality materials and meticulous attention to detail reflecting a modern aesthetic. The bathrooms are a statement to modern living, designed with sophistication and functionality in mind. The large backyard offers ample space and is a canvas for your dream paradise pool, perfect for relaxation and entertainment under the sunny Florida skies. For water enthusiastic, this home provides plenty of space to park your boat, and not to Port Charlotte's reputation for peace and excellent fishing opportunities. Additionally, you are just short 45 minutes drive from the stunning Boca Grande Beach, featuring golden sand and breathtaking coastal views.